NCRT English Class 6 Chapter 1 Exercise. First exercise is answer the following questions. So I am going to give you answer with questions. First question is, what did Patrick think his cat was playing with? What was it really? Patrick thought that his cat was playing with a little doll. It was, in fact, a very small sized man, an elf. Question 2. Why did a little man grant Patrick a wish? Patrick had saved the tiny man's life from the cat by not handing him back to the cat. So, he promised to fulfill one wish of Patrick. What was Patrick's wish? Patrick की wish क्या थी? Patrick hated doing homework. His greatest wish was that the little man should do all his homework till the end of the semester. Question 4. In what subjects did the little man need help to do Patrick's homework? The little man needed Patrick's help in maths, English and history. Question 5. How did Patrick help him? Patrick sat beside the little man and guided him. He brought books from the library and read out to him. Question 6. Who do you think did Patrick's homework? The little man or Patrick himself? Give reason for your answer. It was Patrick himself who actually did all the homework. He had to help the elf again and again with guidance and book every time. Next exercise is working with language. In that you are given some words or phrases. To fill the blanks, I have given you the blanks with answers. So first you try yourself and then you tally the answers with my answer. Next exercise. Use the clues given below to complete the crossword puzzles. Here also I request you to do the exercise yourself and then tally the answers. Then speaking. In speaking, you have to read the instructions carefully and then you have to use these words in your own sentences. In the writing section, you are told to write down some rhyming words from the chapter that you have to find out it and make a list of that in the exercise A. Then in the B, you have to read the instructions and try to write down the sentence in our own way, in the story way. That also you have to try yourself. These all exercises C and D you have to read carefully and try yourself. If you need help, you can tell me in the comments. Then you have one nice poem, A House, a Home. What is the difference between a house and a home. Discuss it with your partner. I am explaining this poem, and that is very interesting poem. What is a house? It is brick and stone and wood that's hard. Some windows, glass, and perhaps a yard. It's eaves and chimneys and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. एक्चुअल में हाउस क्या होता है? तो यहाँ पे हमको बताया गया है कि हाउस जो होता है वो ब्रिक, स्टोन्स, वुड, विंडोज़, ग्लासेस, ये सब चीज़ों से बना हुआ होता है. एल्स यानी पार्ट ऑफ रूफ, देन स्टक यानी प्लास्टर, जिसके ऊपर प्लास्टर लगा होता है, और रूफ होती है, लॉट्स ऑफ डोर्स होते हैं, उसे हाउस कहते हैं. हाउस के बाद व्हाट इज़ अ होम? It's loving and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. होम वो होता है जिसमें एक फैमिली होती है, ब्रदर्स सिस्टर्स होते हैं, फादर मदर होते हैं, सब एक दूसरे की केयर करते हैं, एक दूसरे को यूज़फुल होने की कोशिश करते हैं, हर एक चीज़ शेयर करते हैं, और शोइंग योर लव्ड वंस, हर एक को लव दिखाते हैं. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड अ होम. हियर देयर इज़ अ लिटिल एक्सरसाइज ऑफ पोएम that I have given answers of my own. You can write your own answers also. Okay, if you need any kind of help or you have any queries, you can write in comments.